Hey everyone, this is Lucy back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove spaces using find and replace. So sometimes what happens is that there will be unnecessary blank spaces or just spaces created in a file. So doing and removing these spaces on every of the cell will consume time. So what you want to do is select all these cells which have unsimilar spaces, and you would want to go to this editing ribbon in the home tab right here. You would want to go to this find and select option with a magnifying glass on top. Click on a replace and this window will pop. So here you would wanna press the space bar twice, and here in the replace with you would wanna press the key once only. If you click on these options, you will see other more settings like within the sheet, search for, how to search it, how to look in everything. So just click on the one you need in order to reduce some time. Click on replace all until you can see every of these words with the normal spacing. And there you have it. You won't be seeing the long space between two words here. After that, click on close and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.